Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya beauty style channel, and today I create a perfect look for spring. Spring will say 2023. Today we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Christian Dior. It's a perfect color for spring. You know I like to talk, but let's do it. Let's start. You will see with no makeup I look totally different, and if you have sensitive skin just like me, please watch my YouTube channel, and I'm sharing you my skincare issue and what product it works for me, what it's not. But if you have recommendation, please send to me. Please, you can message me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, or Facebook, or of course I want you to message me on my YouTube channel. Okay, love you more than ice cream, and let's start because it is beautiful. Let's put my hair together. I already have skincare moisturizer and eye cream on my face, and if you don't yet know, I have very sensitive skin. I actually sick right now. I have a kidney infection, but because I have this amazing Dior palette, you know what, I'm not in a bed, I'm shooting video for you. Okay, let's start. First, again, I have already skincare. I'm gonna use concealer from Christian Dior, and this one concealer, it's a full coverage, it's Skin Forever. It's have this color, it's 2CR. It's have little bit peachy undertone. Concealer is done, and now I'm gonna use foundation. This is its new foundation. I believe it, I will pronounce Yansa, and it's a medium to full coverage foundation. It's brightening foundation. It's minimize pores. Also, it's a vitamin C and E. I believe it's $42. And let's see, because remember, I don't have a good skin. I need medium to full coverage. We'll see how we will cover this, cover my skin. And it's 8-hour wearing foundation. Ooh, I actually really like it. Wow. After powder, I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from MAC, Penterly. It's my favorite, and we're gonna apply on entire my eyelid. Now I'm gonna use a bronze powder from Bobbi Brown, color natural, with angle brush, and I'm gonna just put little bit more bronze. And we're gonna put little bit bronze also on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows very quick, and I will be right back. Eyebrows, it's done, and I'm ready to use this amazing eyeshadow palette. Okay, I actually gonna use my brush where I use for my bronze, and you know what, I'm gonna use right here this one pink color, very little, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my eyelid, and I pushing this product up. First color in this palette, which one I'm gonna use, is beautiful shimmer pink, and I put very little in the brush. It's not much here, and I'm just gonna apply this. My middle color. very pretty, very soft, make my eyes blue, blue, blue. Now, you know what, let's use this matte color. And this color I'm gonna put in a corner of my eye, and we're gonna make like a small letter C. And eyeshadow, we are gonna push a little bit up to corner my brow. So far we have with you 2 eyeshadow, and now let's use this beautiful light color. It's a beautiful shimmer, like gold shimmer here, but it's not like yellow, it's like a new, very pretty, like a soft gold. Now I feel I a little bit want some deep color for my eye. We're gonna use actually this color. I will say it's like bright, but it's also have like deep bright. Ooh, it's pretty. And now I need a big blending brush, and we're gonna just little bit soft this, and again push eyeshadow little bit up. After I have a small tiny blending brush from North, and we're gonna use you know what, let's use this color, and I'm gonna use underneath to little bit make my eyes bigger. Now I have small tiny blending brush, clean blending brush, and we're gonna use a lighter color in this palette. I'm gonna apply close to my brows. Ooh, this is really pretty. Same light color, I'm gonna put a little bit in the corner right here. Now it's time for me to curl my lashes. All what I can say, hello spring. Now I'm gonna use waterproof eyeliner from Lancome, and it's a brown color, I believe it's chocolate. I'm gonna put on my waterline inside and under my lashes. And now I'm just applying liquid eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I'm going to my corner. I'll say I stop right here, right? With this eyeliner still little bit wet. Now I have just little bit brush, and I'm gonna just little bit pull this eyeliner, just like this. And this is, we have a perfect little bit wing there. After liquid eyeliner, we need to put mascara and primer. I'm gonna use primer from Lancome, and I will choose some dramatic mascara. Primer first, and then I'm gonna use Chanel mascara, Le Volume. I need lots of volume today. Gonna put on the top and of course on the bottom. We almost finished. Oh, we must finish. My kidney, it's killing me. Remember, I have a kidney infection. Okay, we're gonna use this lighter color in this palette. We're gonna apply right here. Yes, and it's worked like beautiful, beautiful highlighter. Oh, it's very, very pretty. And a little bit on my nose. And then we need a little bit blush. You know what? We have so much beautiful colors here. Let's put for blush. This is actually matte color. Let's put this one and this one together. One is shimmer, one is matte. Oh, it's very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. And for lips, you know what? I'm gonna use a beautiful, beautiful pink color, like lip liner from Dior. It's Premier, I believe it's 060. It's a beautiful, beautiful, like a pinky, like slightly iridescent color. My eyes look so blue. I love them. Oh, this is actually very, very pretty color, but it feels a little bit dry on my lips. And I'm gonna put actually Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's brand new lip balm. Ooh, now it's looks sexy, juicy, and no more dry. Okay, girls, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, give me thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream. Yes, this is very beautiful, perfect for spring eyeshadow and face palette. And you know what? I decided I'm gonna make another video just to show you all these colors. I will do like a swatch just for you. Okay, love you more than ice cream. Bye everybody.